Dear students, today I am going to discuss about future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is also very important for you. Whenever you have to write sentences, you have to write in future continuous tense, or you have to take the help of future continuous tense. And if you have to write future continuous tense, you should know the structure of future continuous tense, the definition of future continuous tense. Now please come to the board, then you will come to know. The definition of future continuous is used to express an action to be going on future. That means there is no relation with present. An action or activity generally takes place in future, and after that it is going on for some time. This is the definition or meaning of future continuous tense. Now see the structure. Structure is also very important. The structure of future continuous tense is, at first you have to write subject. After that you have to write shall or will, auxiliary verb or helping verb. After that you have to write be. Be is here compulsory. In each and every future continuous tense you have to write be. After that you have to write main verb or principal verb. And with the principal verb you have to add ing. The reason is continuous. Whenever the word continuous is available in any sentence, you have to always add ing. Already I have told you so many times about ing. Now I have written some examples. Examples are very important for you. Whenever you listen the example, then you'll come to know the structure of the sentences also. Now please come to board again. The first example is, I shall be sleeping at the time. That means at present I am not sleeping. I shall be sleeping at that time. So here see the structure. First one is subject. After subject I have written here shall. Shall is auxiliary verb. After shall I have added here be. Be is permanent. Already I have told you. Without be you can't write future continuous tense. After that I had written here sleep, and with the main verb, sleep is a main verb, with the main verb or principal verb I have added here ing. So this is the structure of future continuous tense, or this is also one kind of example of future continuous tense. Now see the second sentences. He will be reading a storybook then. Same subject, auxiliary verb, be, verb with ing or present participle form. A storybook is your object. Then number 3, I will be waiting for you this time next Sunday. Here also I is subject, will is auxiliary verb, be is permanent. In every future continuous tense you have to write be. Waiting is verb, main verb or principal verb. The verb is in present participle form. So these are the sentences or example of future continuous tense. Now you have to remember the use of shall be and will be. How you have to use shall or will, or you can also say shall be or will be, because after shall or after will you have to always use be. That's why you can say, or you better say shall be or will be. So now see the use. Shall be is generally used with the first person. First person means that day I told you I or we. If there is I or we in a sentence, then we have to use, or you have to use shall be with I and we. And will be is used in second person. Second person means you. You is singular also, plural also in English. And third person means he, she, it. So with you, he, she, it, you have to use will be. And sometimes instead of he, there may be or might be someone's name. For example, Raman. Instead of she, there might be someone's woman's name. For example, Lina or Gita, like this, okay? It means in case of object. Now see here negative and interrogative. Here I have written several. That means in every sentences, if there is an auxiliary verb, it's very easy to make it negative and interrogative. If you want to make the sentence negative, then just add not with auxiliary verb. So in future continuous tense also, auxiliary verb is available here. Will and shall. Just add not. Okay? Will not or aren't. Contracted form is aren't. Shall not or shan't. Like this. Okay? It's very easy. And in case of interrogative, whenever you want to make this sentence interrogative, for example, this one. Okay. Shall is auxiliary verb. Just you have to start the sentence, begin the sentence with shall. Shall, this auxiliary verb will take the first place. After that, you have to write I. After that, be sleeping at the time. That means, shall I be sleeping at the time? So, it's a very easy to make the sentences negative and interrogative. Now see, in case of present indefinite tense and past indefinite tense, there is some difficulty to make the sentences negative or interrogative. Difficulty means you have to take the help of other auxiliaries verb. For example, in simple present tense or simple past tense, generally auxiliary verbs are not used. That's why whenever you have to make a sentence negative or interrogative, you have to take the help of do, does in case of simple present tense or present indefinite tense, and in case of simple past tense, did. Okay, so it's a very difficult. Okay, but you have to take the help of auxiliary verb. But this kind of sentences, or whenever auxiliary verbs are present in the sentences, it's very easy to make the sentences negative or interrogative. Just remember it. Now I have written again two sentences. First one is, he's taking his examination next week. Next one is, he will be taking his examination next week. Now see, the meaning of both the sentences are same. First one is, he's taking his examination next week. That means the formation of the sentences is in present continuous, because here is auxiliary verb. Am is usually used in present continuous tense. With verb there is ing. That means the sentence is present continuous tense. That means structure of the sentence is present continuous tense, but it means future. So sometimes the present continuous tense also can expresses meaning of future. Next one is this one. He will be taking his examination next week. This sentence is meaning is future, but the sentence is also in future continuous tense. I think you have understood very well, and if you don't understood or if you don't understand, then you can call me or you can contact me or you can give messages in my WhatsApp or YouTube channel also. And for the first time I have taken the class in English, and if you understand, then you will come to know that you have developed listening skill or you can understand other speech. And if you don't understand, then you can contact me. And whenever you go through the video, okay, you better go through 2 or 3 times, okay, then it will be very easy for you, or you will understand it very easily. So thank you very much.